Okay, today's topic is we will learn about decimals. Okay, we will learn about decimals. So especially I want to teach about the tenths, tenths. So here this one is the whole one. This one is the whole one. So the whole one. That's why we call it is 10 by 10. 10 by 10 is 1. 10 by 10 is 1, right? This is 1 because we didn't color anything. It is full. So why is it full? We can call why is it 10 here? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are tens and 10 parts. That's why 10 divided by 10 is 1. Okay, if you don't understand, I will illustrate one more thing. Here is this already coloring? Is this already coloring? How many things we are coloring? The whole is 10, right? A moment ago is this 10. The whole is 10. So how many parts we already color? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? 7 we coloring 7. So how do we write down? Here we can see that 7, 10, 10, and then 7 because the color part is 7. So you have to write down 7 divided by 10. If you want to read in decimal, 0.7. 0.7, but you have to know that it is 7 tenths because 10 place, right? So 7 tenths. You have to say that it is 7 tenths. So here you may see the decimal, fraction, and the picture. So you have to I will put the picture here first, and then if I find the decimal, you have to match with the decimal. For example, this one is how many? A moment ago is a 7, right? You find here decimal, so you find decimal 0.7. Okay, if I tell you is this fraction, you have to find 7 by 10. Okay, so let's start. So are you ready to the activity?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so right now I will put the picture first. You have to find the decimal. Okay? Okay, decimal. How many? Count fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, find the decimal.
Decimal 0.5.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now you know about the decimal. How about the fraction?
Fraction 5 by 10.
Yay! Yes, 5 by 10. So how to read this one? Do you know?
5 tenths.
Yes, it is 5 tenths.
5 tenths.
Yeah, 5 tenths. Why you know, right? Because
it's in the 10th place.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to another one. I will put two pictures. You have to find the decimal. Okay. Count fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to find the decimal.
Yes, decimal first.
0.6 or 6 tenths.
6 tenths.
And fraction is 6 by 10.
Yes, very nice. Another one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Decimal is in the 4 tenths.
Yeah, 4 tenths.
And fraction is 4 by 10.
Yes, very nice. Now you know about that. So let's go. I will give you the decimal. you have to find the you have to find the picture. Okay.
Okay.
So let's move. So I will take out this one and I will range. You have to find the picture. Okay. Okay, 14. Let's find picture.
0, I said 7 place. 7 tenths.
Yes.
4 tenths.
Yes.
2 tenths.
Yes.
6 tenths.
Yes. Okay. So right now you know about the decimal, right?
Yes.
So let's find the fraction.
Okay.
The first one.
The first one is 7 by 10.
Yes.
Second one is 4 by 10.
Yes.
The third one is 2 by 10.
Yes.
The last one is 6 by 10.
Yes. So you understand about this one, right?
Yes.
So this decimal is we call tens place.
10 place.
Okay. So you have to write down the number near the point. You see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That's why we call 0.6 or 6 tenths, right? Okay, another one is I want to introduce a little bit about the hundred place. So a moment ago is this 10 place because there are 10 cells, 10 by 10 is this 1. Now is 100 place. 100 place, even though you see the 100, but it is also the same as 1. 1 because the whole thing is equal to 1, but there are hundred parts. So 100 by 100 equal to 1. Is this the same? Okay, so now I would like to tell you about there are 1 to 10. So if I color here, how many you can see that is this the same with 50, right? And then 1 2 3 4. So you can count here 1 2 3 4 54. So you can make in decimal 0.5, or in fraction you can say that 54 by 100. So is it 100 place? Because there are 2 decimal place and 100 place. Is this only introduction for you? Okay, so you understand, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to color one. Color. I will write down the decimal and then you have to color by yourself. Okay, now color 1 to 67 by yourself.
67.
Yay! Okay, now I will give you the paper. You have to write down. A moment ago, how many number you have to color? Write down in fraction.
Fraction.
Yes.
67. So it's 100.
Yes.
So 67 by 100.
Yes. Now the last one is you have to write down what? Decimal. How about decimal?
It will be in the 0.67.
Yay! Correct. So understand?
Yes.
Do you have a fan? Do you have a fan?
Yes.
Okay, so that is for today. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.